Hi everybody and welcome back to Happy Little Diodes. A quick unboxing video for you today, and also I wanted to point out that we're homing in on 100 subscribers. So when we get there, I'm going to do another giveaway for another copy of Jet Set Willy. This time it's an original copy with all the inserts still in the box. It's going to be the same format as last time. It'll be a chaos tournament. So click subscribe. The sooner we get there, the sooner we can do the giveaway. And if you follow the link in the description, you can join me on Patreon for a priority entry to the giveaway. Because of the format of the competition, I'm going to be limiting it to 16 people. So, first come, first served, or jump in on Patreon and get involved. So, you'll have seen while I was talking about the giveaway, we've got ourselves a Spectrum Plus. I've never had one of these before. I'm quite excited to get into it. But more importantly, and the reason I bid on it, is there's an Interface 1 attached to it, and I've been looking for another one of these so I can make a little clip about playing network games between two Spectrums with Interface 1s, so that's going to be a lot of fun. The Interface 1 is in really good condition, looking shiny, and there's no damage from the ULA heating up, which you sometimes find with these things. Everything in this auction was sold as untested, and I think I've got lucky because it all looks really good. I think it's going to work first time. Not so sure if this joystick's going to work, but that's a little extra bonus. So that's all I wanted to say. I think I need to start shifting some of these speckies because, as you can see, it's getting a bit out of hand. So please subscribe. Let's get up to 100 subscribers and we'll run another competition to give away that copy of Jet Set Willy. Thanks for watching.